Hello traders, you're welcome to my video on the candle timer indicator. We are going to be looking at how to make use of this indicator, as it is an essential tool for scalpers and technical traders. So if you are looking to get your entries and exits perfectly timed, then this indicator is a must-have in your trading toolkit. Now, the candle timer indicator might seem simple at first glance. I'm going to add it to the indicator to the charts right now. It's a custom indicator, so you have to download it from an external site, add it to your indicators library, and then, of course, add it to your chart. So, in as much as this indicator looks quite simple, really simple at first glance, do not be fooled, okay? It can actually make a huge difference in your trading. Well, this is the indicator right here. Now, whether you are new to trading or a seasoned pro, this tool can help you fine-tune your strategy, especially when using candle closes as a key part of your analysis, okay? Now, let's just break it down and see why this indicator can take your trading to the next level. So what exactly is the candle timer indicator? Well, as the name implies, it is an indicator that shows you the time remaining until the current candle closes. All right, it shows you the time remaining until the current candle closes. It's that simple. You can see exactly how much time you have before that candle closes and a new one opens. Now, you might be wondering, why does this matter? Well, for a lot of traders, especially scalpers, timing is everything. If you are someone who loves to make quick, small trades, then knowing when the current candle is about to close can help you make better decisions. The candle timer indicator does not give you buy or sell signals. Okay, that's one of the disadvantages of it, but it has its own unique benefits, just like I mentioned, okay? Because it gives you critical information that helps you decide when it is the right time to act. And for scalpers who rely on candle closes for confirmation, this is huge, right? Now, let us just quickly talk about scalpers for a moment. Scalping is all about capturing quick price movements, okay? It is usually within seconds or minutes, and you as a scalper, you are aiming to make small profits from those moves. But here's the thing: scalpers need to act fast and with precision. Every second counts. This is where the candle timer indicator comes into play. When you are scalping, you often look for the market to follow through in the same direction as the previous candle, but you need to wait for that current candle to close before entering a trade. Right? So if you are unsure of when the candle will close, you could miss out on a perfect entry. The candle timer indicator takes care of that for you. Okay? It actually takes care of that for you. Because it updates in real time, showing you how much time is left before the candle closes. So this gives you a clear and exact idea of when to enter. So you don't have to constantly check the clock or guess when the candle will finish. So with this indicator, you'll never have to make a hasty decision again. This indicator is especially useful for traders who base their strategies around candle closes. Many technical indicators, including moving averages and RSI, use the close of the candle to calculate values. So if you enter a trade before the candle closes, the data might be inaccurate and your trade could be less reliable. For example, let's say you are waiting for a bullish candle to close, right? This current candle, now we can see it's a bullish candle, but the candle is still open. So imagine you are waiting for this particular bullish candle to close in the direction of your trade, because you can see that this is actually a buy trend, right? And maybe you entered a buy, a buy position somewhere here after this brief pullback. Then maybe you are waiting for the current bullish candle to close. If the candle timer indicator shows that there is only a few seconds left, you can confidently wait for the candle to close, and then maybe you are you are wondering whether this current candle is going to be a bearish candle, to know if you are going to exit the buy position you entered here, because there is a possibility that we could have a notable pullback that will touch the trend line. Okay, this is just a possibility, right? And then maybe continue. So you are wondering whether, because of this bearish candle, whether this next candle is also going to be a bearish candle. So you'll be watching this candle timer indicator to know if this is going to close as a bullish candle or as a bearish candle. If it closes as a bullish candle, you can confidently stay in your trade, maybe push your stop loss to break even. But if it happens to be a bearish candle, you can just close your buy trade immediately and then wait for a good or a better opportunity to enter the buy and another buy trade in the direction of the trend. Okay, so you can say that the candle timer indicator can really, come in handy, right? It can be really beneficial in different scenarios. Okay, now you might be thinking, that sounds great, but how do I actually use it? Well, the best part is that it's incredibly simple to install and use. Okay, here's how you can set it up in MT4. Just go and download the indicator first. You can download it from a third-party site. Just ensure that it's a legit site. And then once you've downloaded the indicator from a reliable source, just go to your MT4 platform, open the data folder, place the candle timer file in the indicators folder, add it to your chart. Okay, then restart your terminal. I mean, you have to restart your terminal before you add it to your chart. Okay, restart your terminal after you have added the file to your indicators folder. Restart your MT4 terminal, and then you can now add it to your chart. Okay, so that is very simple. Then you're going to see the candle timer indicator in action. So what is really great about the candle timer indicator is that it is not just for experienced traders. Okay, it is incredibly easy to use, making it perfect for beginners as well. So whether you are just starting to learn how to trade or you've been trading for years, this tool adds a lot of value to your strategy. Okay, it actually adds a lot of value to your strategy. So for beginners, it can help you understand the importance the importance of candle closes and give you a better sense of timing. All right, so for more advanced traders, it is the perfect way to ensure that you are waiting for the right moment to enter your trades. Now, in conclusion, if you are a scalper or a technical trader looking to enhance your timing, the candle timer indicator for MT4 is an essential tool to have. It helps you wait for that perfect moment to act without having to keep an eye on the clock or second guess yourself. Remember, this indicator does not provide trading signals. Okay, it does not provide trading signals, but it's great. It's a great way to complement your existing strategy and ensure that you are trading with precision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments if you use the candle timer indicator, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you for watching and happy trading.